Let us start the reference management by the EndNote through Saudi Digital Library. While we are writing the research protocol or research, the reference management or to write the reference as per the requirement of the journal is very big task and complicated one. So to make it easy by the various software, and in that EndNote is generally widely used. EndNote is a product of the Clarivate Analytics, and the Clarivate Analytics, uh, formerly called as Thomson Reuters. So they changed the name to the Clarivate Analytics. So to write the reference, there are various softwares for the reference management, but our Chakra University Digital Library and Saudi Digital Library have subscriptions to the online EndNote and the Clarivate Analytics database of Web of Science, which is generally considered as one of the most important database, most widely used scientific database for the manuscript or research writings. So just I will let you know some practical session. You need to first log in into the uh, Chakra University Digital Library portal. Uh, the website is asicknowledge.net/chakra. You have to create your account from the library. So if you'll log in, so your name will be in the right hand corner upside will appears on the main page. On the main page you can find at the left hand side the SDL. You have to click on the SDL, that is Saudi Digital Library. So you will land it to the SDL page via Chakra University Digital Library page. In this page, you can convert English by clicking on the upper right hand side corner. Then after conversion into the English, you can find various database: Arabic database, English database, ebooks, university theses, archives, categories, trial database, and open access. You have to click on the English database, and in English database there are various scientific subscriptions by the Saudi Digital Library. And when you log in via Chakra University Digital Library, you will got here message, welcome Chakra University. It means that the Chakra University is linked with the Chakra University Digital Library has access of the Saudi Digital Library. So in English database, there are various databases are available: art, science, engineering. We have to click on W, that is the Web of Science database. So you will found the Web of Science, which is also called as ISI or Thomson Reuters database. When you click the Web of Science database, the new page will be open with the Web of Science or Clarivate Analytics. So this is the page via Chakra University Digital Library via Saudi Digital Library, you will be landed to the Web of Science, which is also known as Clarivate Analytics. Now this page you have unlimited subscription. You can download any paid article from the Science Directs elsewhere. The journal who has indexed or accessed into the Web of Science, you can find any article which is otherwise we have to pay to download the article. To get the extra benefits, to get more articles, you have to make the free account by user id and password. So here in the right hand side upper corner there is sign in. When you click on the sign in, you have to create your login id password, and if you have already created your login id password, just sign in. So it will be give you more access as compared to unregistered with the Web of Science or Clarivate Analytics. So here you are logged in now. After that, the end note, because the Web of Science has many product, including insights, journal citation reports, essential science indicator, end note, Publon, master journal list. So we have to click on the end note. It will open the online end note. Let it to be load. Now I have to write the article. Suppose example on the trust area. Now the COVID-19. So I will writing the article, and how can I use this end note. This is a blank document. I will create one blank document. Yes. So here I think EndNote. This is your EndNote account. Is online EndNote, and it is linked with your uh, Web of Science account. So this EndNote account is open. Now I have to write the article. I am writing the article or some notes on the uh, example. I am writing on the remdesivir, which is generally the approved drug into the COVID-19. This is only the first approved drug in the management of the COVID-19, remdesivir, for the severe cases, for the adult patients who are severe. The remdesivir is approved in the treatment of the COVID-19, and it is also it is before it is approved on the 22 October 2020 as approved first drug to treat severe adult patient with COVID-19. So I am writing this review article on the COVID-19 remdesivir. I know that on the 22 October, FDA approved this US FDA, we can say US FDA has approved this drug, and it is also approved before emergency authorization use before by the FDA. So I have to give the reference to this sentence. So I will use here, there is an the search window in the Web of Science, which was opened through the Chakra University Digital Library and SDL, Saudi Digital Library. Now I will type here remdesivir and the COVID-19. Yes, because it is hot topic. I need here, there is various options here. You need topic, means it will be available in the abstract, author, keyword. If you select title, it will be available in the title field of the publication. You can search the author name, you can search by the publication name, year published, agency, specific organization, the number, the conference, DOI, and by grand number you can search the editor, grand number, group author. You can search any article by the search window. Suppose I select here title, I need the research article with the remdesivir COVID-19. It should include the remdesivir COVID-19, and here is a time span from how many year I need. I need only just last 4 week because it is just approved drug. So I will click only last 4 week. You can select Web of Science have the access from the articles last 5 year, or you can custom your year. So custom your range, you can custom your range. But here I will click on last 4 week because it is just approved for the treatment of the COVID-19. And here on the top, select a database. You can have the options to select all database, Web of Science core collection, current contents connects, Medline, Korean journal database. I will select here Web of Science core collection and the last 4 week only. So I will click on the search, and the articles which is published last 4 week will be displayed here. Now they contain remdesivir COVID-19, remdesivir COVID-19. There is also again filtering area or filters. Here you can select only the article which is having the open access. There are 21 articles which are open access on the right side. So I will click on the open access and I will make it refine. So it will give only the article which is having the open access and the free. Then here uh, you can categorize the this 21 article. That on 2020 there are 20 articles, and here 2021 there is one article, means it is this article is accepted and ahead of the print at the journal. So you can categorize, you can see these are the articles, 21 articles according to the remdesivir and COVID-19. Now I have to choose, how can I choose the reference for the article? I will just click on the view abstract. So I will get the short summary about this specific my search request. So here they say that the patients with the physician facing the problem, and this remdesivir is the first approved treatment for the severe coronavirus disease. Yes, I need it because I wrote the same. So I will click yes, I need it. Okay. Then again, here second one is removal of the remdesivir metabolites, hemodialysis in double lung transplant recipient with COVID-19. No, I will not use it. You can also read the full text from the publisher because these are the open access. So if you click on the free full text from the publisher, you can get all the detailed article. Then here, uh, remdesivir critical clinical appraisal for COVID-19 treatments. I will see the abstract if it is aligned with my sentence. So yes, USFDA approved the drug and several attempts, and it is also emergency use authorization. So I will select this article. Yes, I will use as a reference for my sentence. COVID-19 US approves the remdesivir despite WHO trial showing lack of efficiency. So yes, because US approves remdesivir COVID-19, I will select this one also because title itself indicate the type of the article. Then the remdesivir and the COVID-19. Okay, I will also select, for example. So I have selected this article because they indicated that remdesivir has approved and with their brief prior history. So I have to add this references to my work, to my research work. So I will click, I will already click. So just click on the mark list here at the right side upper top you have mark list. If you click on the mark list, so you will get the article which we are already selected. So there are the 5 articles I selected for my that sentence marked list. These are the articles here which I have selected to add the as a reference in my sentence. Same remdesivir against COVID-19, other viral disease, remdesivir critical clinical appraisal, and US approves same. So I have to add these 5 references in my that for the my first sentence. So I will use here export. So I will use here export link, and in export what I need the, you can customize what you need in the export. In the EndNote, online EndNote, you need author, you need abstract, you need ISSN, you need PubMed ID, you need the time cited, accession number, source. You can customize like this. So in the export, I will click on, and there are various options for the export. I will choose EndNote online because I am using EndNote online. So click on the EndNote online, and they're sending 5 records to my EndNote account which is linked to the Web of Science, and it needs the user ID and the password. So these articles are send it to the EndNote. So I will click on my online EndNote, and I will make it refresh to see these 5 articles are available or not. So these 5 articles landed to the my online EndNote account, which has I wish to add into the my written sentence. I have to give the reference to the sentence. So these are the 5 articles. Now you can also make the group on this online EndNote. You can select this all article 5 and you can made a group. Here add to the group, you can add here new group, and in the new group you can write the COVID-19, COVID-19, and say okay. So this all 5 articles will be transferred to the COVID-19. See here in the uh, right hand side, sorry, left hand side corner, the COVID-19 article, you have the 5 articles. Now I have to use this article as a reference. So I will click all because it contains the required information which align with my sentence. So after selection all of this, or if you know select, no problem because you have already added to the COVID-19 group. So you can here on the top of the EndNote you will find format option, and in the format you can click on the bibliography. So here after clicking the bibliography you will find the references. Now which reference you wish to use, so I will just added the 5 articles into the COVID-19. So I will select here COVID-19, these 5 groups of the my libraries, we can say library for the adding into the my um, sentence. Now, which style you required here? If you see, there are many reference styles are available according to the need of journal. If your journal name is available here, you directly click on that. These are the all the journal names. uh, if you see, this is acta neuro, acta tropica. Then there is advances in the mathematics, nursing science, African Journal of Ecology, American journals. All American journals are as per your specialty, as per your need. You can select the uh, now here various journal names are available and the reference style. Now, generally widely used reference style is Vancouver. Suppose I will use V. Let us see about the Vancouver. Yes, Vancouver style, reference style, which is generally widely used, commonly used. So I have selected bibliographic style as per Vancouver, or you can select as per the journal requirement. And file format here. In the file format, you can choose HTML. HTML, yes. And just click on the preview and print. You will get the exact reference. These are the references of the as per the Vancouver style which we selected. I selected these 5 references: critical clinical appraisal for COVID-19. Then there is a in from the one from the drug research, Lancet, Remdesivir and the COVID-19. Then Remdesivir and the COVID-19, Irish Journal of Medical Science, BMJ, British Medical Journal, and Clinical Microbiology Reviews. So these are 5 articles I have selected here. So here, this is manual one. So you can just select this 5 article, make it copy, and your work is here. So you can give 1 to 5 number as an reference, and in the reference you just need to make the paste, so all your references will be here. So you wrote remdesivir COVID-19 is approved in the 22 October 2020 by US FDA, and the first drug to severe to treat the COVID-19 in the severe adult patient, and also it is first also approved as emergency use authorization before the 22 October, approved by the US FDA. So these are the reference exactly you got as per the Vancouver style and from the authenticate database, that is the Web of Science. There is also another simple way. uh, Cite while you write. Cite while you write. This software is also from the EndNote, and for this software we need some plugins to install in our computer or laptops. So inshallah, in the next session I will cover how the site while you write covers the reference software management easy way as compared to this manual EndNote. So this is about the short talk on the use of the EndNote via Saudi Digital Library to write your references. But it is very important you have to access through the Chakra University Digital Library and the SDL, that is the Saudi Digital Library, because our Saudi Digital Library has paid subscription to many standard database, scientific database, we can download the article, we can see the article, we can cite the article without any cost, without any cost. Otherwise, without the SDL, we have to pay in the dollars for one article, minimum $35, $40. This is the range according to the journal. So this is my short talk on the reference management by EndNote through SDL. Thank you very much.